This is literally like what children do, and so does Amber.
I'm 31!
But she's staying at the Ritz. Oh, I get it.
Yep, that's me, and oh my god, this is the Ritz Paris.
This is officially the best day of my life. Welcome to the Ritz.
Just like I put on my mood board earlier in the year.
We're staying in the Ritz Paris this year, you guys. It's happening.
We are staying at the Ritz Paris. The Ritz Paris is one of the nicest hotels in the world. You may recognize the decor because I've been drooling over it for years, even decorating my house based on this hotel. With guests including Coco Chanel, Princess Diana, Miss Kimberly Kay, and now me. It's been my dream to stay here for years.
It's literally my fantasy to stay here someday. Guys, we're staying at the Ritz.
How do you feel?
So from glamorous food to glamorous shops to glamorous everything and, well, since it's me, a bunch of nonsense. Without further ado, you're cordially invited to come with me on my dream stay at the Ritz.
Welcome to the Ritz.
You were on my mood board.
That's cute.
We got this fancy van. Look at this. This is so cool. Woo! Bonjour. Oh yeah. Guys, this isn't how I wanted to check in. But unfortunately, this is how we look. You look cool.
I'll try a little bit.
I look so stupid right now.
Amber, what are you doing?
I'm like trying to fix you, but it's not helping. Madame Scholl, I'm gonna throw up.
You match, your dress matches the floor.
You match. Not what I wanted.
No, you look gorgeous.
All right.
Wow.
Here we are.
Okay.
Welcome. Join us.
Oh, it's beautiful. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Oh, she's crying.
She's so cute. The Eiffel Tower.
Whoa!
You're so cute. Don't make me cry.
Not this.
Oh,
I'm so excited. I love it.
Okay, so, anyways, we did
This is so pretty.
Okay, let's get pretty. I'll give you guys a tour when I'm not crying. Look, guys, isn't this insane? Are you guys ready? So this is the main hallway. I'm whispering because there might be other people. Okay. So, bonjour, madame. Okay, so we are on the 5th floor. This is the hallway. It's beautiful. Look at this. This is so gorgeous. Oh my god. Okay, and look at the carpet. Dun 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, guys, this is the room. This is the door. This is my key that I'm gonna frame and keep forever. This is 333 Beverly Hills. Please shop up so I can afford to stay here every time. Look, are you ready? Oh my god. Oh, the sun is streaming in the balcony. Oh, that's the Eiffel Tower, you guys. Unbelievable. Guys, look. Oh my god. Look at it all. They have this little setup for us. This is the most exciting day of my life, you guys. I don't think you understand. Oh, cheers. This is the official room tour of, actually the worst room at the Ritz Paris. This is the cheapest one. And let me tell you, it racked up every single one of my Amex points, plus a couple $1,000s. So please like, comment, subscribe, buy the jewelry so I can afford to stay here more. This is my Pinterest dream headboard. Look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna obviously try and buy this headboard. Now this is what I'm talking about. Not gonna lie, this is the only thing that's not my favorite thing ever. I like crystal chandeliers. However, I'm gonna let them live. Isn't this carpet just everything? Look at it, you guys. Look, it's beautiful. This is my dream carpet. When you turn 31, you start to have things like dream carpets.
No, I still think that's just you.
Hey! I love this carpet. This is a beautiful mini bar. Oh my god.
It's the most beautiful mini.
Even this lamp is awesome. What's in here? Oh, this is our closet, you guys. Complete with bathrobe and umbrella. I'm gonna take this hanger. They can't stop me. Our Ritz bathrobe slippers. So I got my Ritz bathrobe on. Oh yeah. I really almost flashed you guys. Okay, then what's new? So this is the exit to the front door. This is how you would get to the bathroom from this direction.
What was the trip?
Oh, it was amazing. Thank you. Continuing the tour. Everything is immaculate. Look, guys. I love it. Adding whatever the hell this is to my vision board. Even the doorknob. Look at the floor. Oh my god. Oh, it's unbelievable. Look at the sinks, you guys. Oh my god. Look at this. Look. Do you know how famous this is on Pinterest? These are the most famous sinks ever on Pinterest. Like, you've seen them a million times. I actually had the knockoff sinks in my first apartment. Do you guys remember that? I since got the actual real fancy version in my current home. However, I didn't get the swan version, but I'm regretting that a little bit. The tub, look at it. Look at, oh my god, even these are so beautiful. Oh my god, you guys. Unbelievable. The towels. I'm gonna buy 1,000,000 of these in the gift shop. See what this is. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, la toilette. Oh my gosh, it's so cute too. Look. Oh my god. Look. I love that. I am going to steal an absolutely unreasonable amount of these. I'm not even sorry. Is this the shower? Oh my god, guys. La 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 la. Beautiful. Let's see. Do you guys want to see the balcony? Oh my god, look you guys. This is gorgeous. And that's the Eiffel Tower. Bonjour, everybody. What a view. What if I drop my camera? Okay, anyways, back inside. The sun shines differently in Paris.
Yeah, it does.
It really does. It's in fact, it's so sunny I can't even see. But I gotta get me some of these. I'm obsessed with these weird window things. Okay guys, we interrupt this broadcast with the truth. We are a giant mess. Oh my god.
This is still the quickest we've ever been in our life.
Guys, I will do a cut-in of the section of the beautiful fireplace when we have cleaned it up. Oops, I'm sorry. This just is what it is. That was the room tour. I hope you enjoyed. And now, let's party. Cheers to complimentary champagne!
Yeah!
Sexy. I don't even really like champagne, but I'll have some. Cheers! Cheers!
Stayed in Paris to get away from your parents, and I thought, wow.
Don't know the rest of the words. Guys, fun fact, did I ever tell you this? I was in a Chainsmoker music video one time. I was bikini side chick number 5. Like, my face cut off, yep, that's me. And then my big starring 1-second scene. From that to this, baby! That is called a manifesting. We're going to the shops at the Ritz. Look at this. Look at how beautiful. Oh, a dream. Gorgeous.
Chic women who twerk.
Look at these. I wish these were for sale. I already have the towels. I stole all of this from the room. See guys, these are all the dishes that we've been using. I have wanted this for so long. I'm going to get him. Guys, look how cute he is.
Pinterest board come to life.
I thought we would maybe get some drinks. The prices are unbelievable. So instead, we decided to get high tea. Beautiful, so good. They just do such a gorgeous job. Like, look at the aesthetics of all these photos. Ah, beautiful. Not to mention, it came with wine. Fabulous, darling, fabulous. Drab. Thank you so much. Look at this. Thank you. That is amazing. We love it.
We're gonna try the oldest ice cream in Paris. Woo! Got two.
Double fisting.
Yeah, do double fist occasionally.
Alright guys, it's time for breakfast. We got the goods. We got these. And look at this room, you guys. Oh my god. How pretty all of the stuff is. It's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. Alright guys, we're in Paris. Look at us. Outfit of the day. Here we go. Could you die? Look at this.
We were in Paris.
I got this hat on Amazon, you guys. I'm literally obsessed with it. Murdered your husband vibes. Hello, princess. I killed my sugar daddy lookbook.
Bring it back.
This is really giving that. Do you guys remember that video?
Please, we need another one. We need 2.0.
Look how far we've come. All right, let's go shopping. Woohoo! Woo! Yes, I love these doors. It's unbelievable. You guys, look at this. This is unbelievable. Ugh. I'm gonna throw up. These are so gorgeous. Oh my god. Good morning, Paris! I love you, you beautiful hotel, and you beautiful everything. Look at this. Bonjour, Paris. Oh, bonjour. I love you, I love you, I love you. Guys, I'm a little confused. We just walked in here. I feel like we're not supposed to be in here. But also, I don't know why else we could walk in. I got too nervous, so we left. But before we did, yes, that's Ariana Grande's dress. Oh my god, so cool. Wow.
This is the original Chanel.
Guys, look. That's it. Bonjour, Paris. This is the best thing I've ever seen, you guys. Yes. Ooh la la, the French corset shop. Oh, beautiful. Oh my god, you guys.
I think I need another one. Yeah.
Hi. Bonjour.
Nice to meet you. I've been a fan since I was little. So this is special.
Oh man, okay guys, where should we go?
Look at all the beautiful books. Oh, that's cool. Oh, guys, look. Merci, merci. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. It's gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. I love you, Paris. I love you so much.
Take a shot every time Amber says, I love you, Paris. I love you, Paris.
I do. We're going to be drunker than me yesterday night. Guys, it is so hot.
So weltering. So weltering.
This hat is not helping. It's not doing me any favors.
No, the hat I feel like is helping because it's blocking you from the sun, except it has blown away 75 times.
But hi! Yay, here we go. We're at the little bakery. This is a liquid marble cake.
Hi. Oh, hi from Paris, guys.
Hi, I'm a supporter since I was 16. I love her so much. I love her so much. I love her.
Wait, look who just got here. Hi, princess. Woo! Jenna, I know we got fancy Ritz water. We got, hey, say hi. Hi, guys.
So, we're gonna go Scholl. Here we have it. This is our second time having this cheesecake.
And I'm gonna have even more time.
And your first time.
That is actually
It's insane. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is perfect for me.
Welcome home.
Welcome home, baby. There it is. Oh my god, I need to live here. This is it, my god.
scream at the guy who's up there.
Hey, sugar. Can I get married to you?
Hello, boy on the balcony.
Bonjour. Marry me, please.
It's not working. Guys, this is why I don't understand. I can't get a boyfriend. I try to holler at people in the streets. It doesn't work. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. Woo! J'adore France! Oh my god, this is crazy. I won this. You're welcome.
I love it.
Hi. Hi, George. Yes. Hello.
There it is, guys. The Arc de Triomphe. Is it as pretty as you guys thought it would be? There we go. That's the reaction I'm looking.
It's not as big as I thought it was.
It's so crazy. It's so beautiful. I love it. This is what we do, you guys. We're standing in the middle of the street, mind you, but it's fine.
It's the Arc of the Triumph.
Woohoo! It's so cool. It's so beautiful. All right, now we're gonna walk to the Eiffel Tower, which looks close, but that shit's so.
right there.
It's right there. You think they all think that it's close,
It's
but it is
somewhere
not.
there.
It's so far
Hey,
away.
I know it's not close.
I don't see the Eiffel.
I know, it's hiding.
What's up?
Look at how beautiful the metro is, you guys. Look at this. This is the public transportation. Actually, you can't see the Eiffel Tower, but it's over there. This is gorgeous. Unbelievable. Love the metro. Merci. Hold on. This is the best place to meet someone ever.
You want to dance? Okay, I make you do like this and then I do it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Romantic?
Yeah, so romantic. Okay.
Yes.
Like this. And then? No, not this way.
No.
I'm like literally picking you up.
Okay.
Because you were about to do like
I don't know. Okay, pick me up.
Okay, first
Okay, spin her.
this. No!
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm doing it
Why are
right.
you doing it
I don't
twice?
know. I don't know. Okay, at once. Okay.
Okay, don't be stressed.
Okay, I'm not stressed.
You're not?
No,
Amber, this is the content.
I'm not stressed.
Okay, and then I'm picking you up.
Ah!
My whole ass is out.
No, it's not.
And now we're going.
Guys,
Bye!
my
That was so good.
So, yeah, the next day, me and Jenna went on a double date at the Ritz. It was literally the best thing of our lives. New dream unlocked. It was unbelievable and, quite frankly, delivered some of the funniest stuff we've ever done.
Get on my back.
Vas-y, monte sur son
I'm
dos.
gonna crush your back.
Vas-y, monte sur son dos, vas-y.
I'm gonna crush your back. I'm like 90 kilos, ain't no way.
Is that a lie?
Wait.
What's this? I got it.
No, it's.
Si, elle va réussir, elle va
That's-
réussir. Elle va
Okay.
réussir.
that's-
No,
okay,
come
you wanna
on.
Try?
No.
Look. See, you cannot.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go. TBD if this is gonna turn out
Ow, it is in your mind?
how this is in my mind, but we are going to go do something really, really funny.
I can't wait to video it on the Jenna cam
I
for you
don't-
all.
Either this is gonna work or it's not, but either way it's gonna be hysterical, and as the theme of the mood board this year, iconic.
That's for sure.
So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because this is a story time for the Paris haul, which if you saw my Instagram post, you already know. I had the time of my life in France. Well, guys, that was my stay at the Ritz. Thanks for watching, and as always, thank you just for making all my dreams come true. I mean, always say this in all my videos, but you know, thank you for giving me the world, and I hope through these vlogs I can give some of it back to you. All the love in the world and then some. Kisses from the Ritz. Excellent.
I love her so much. I love her so much.
Me and Mr. Ritz, you're gonna be a real boyfriend someday.